memories of Bhalo Theko?
I actually love how passionate the Bengali audience and Bengali media is. So thank you for showing me a whiff of that again today.
Say that in Bangla.
বাংলাতে আমি বাঙালি লোকজনকে আর বাঙালি মিডিয়াকে খুব ভালোবাসি, correct? I think 20 years ago in December I made my debut with Bhalo Theko, and I couldn't have imagined, you know, I had dreams of seeing myself on the big screen, but to see myself on the big screen in the land of Ray was the ultimate for me. I couldn't have even imagined it, and I have Gautam Haldar to thank for that. Of course, today we pay a tribute to him at KIF with the screening of Bhalo Theko, and I'm so glad to be here because meeting him and working with him marks the beginning of my journey in cinema. And I have to say that he was one of the gentlest souls I came across, or I've come across. So I'm glad that he would always say Bhalo Theko. At the end of everything he would say Bhalo Theko. So it was so apt that his film was also named Bhalo Theko.
That's right. So a few of the films, I mean, I had to write them down. There are so many wonderful films that Vidya is associated with. Bhalo Theko, Porinita, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, Bhul Bhulaiya, Pa, No One Killed Jessica, Dirty Picture, Kahani, Mission Mangal, Sherni, and now Bhul Bhulaiya 3. I absolutely, you know, marvel to think that someone who can make a film like Parinita can also make a film like The Dirty Picture and be, you know, equally brilliant in both.
Oh, thank you. I'm just a greedy actor who got the opportunity to work with directors who really pushed me to give my best, you know, and in a way brought out the best in me. So, but I feel it's just, I think there are all kinds of people that exist within me. And being an actor allows me to explore those various facets through the characters I play.
And in Mission Mangal you fitted perfectly into that role of that scientist who also, you know, who also doubles up as the perfect homemaker.
Right.
You know, the manager at home and the manager at work. It was really wonderful.
Thank you.
So we now open up to questions.
I have a question.
Yes. Yeah.
My name is Neha Senputta.
Hi.
আমি আপনার সাথে বাংলায় কথা বলতে পারি?
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু আমি জবাব ইংরেজিতে দেব, কারণ আমি otherwise I will be taking my own sweet time to answer.
কলকাতা থেকে বড় ট্যাক্সি উঠতে যাচ্ছে। কাহানি আর ভুলভুলাইয়া সময় আপনারা ট্যাক্সিতে প্রচুর সিন ছিল। এই বড় ট্যাক্সি আপনার জায়গা
अब भूलभुलैया 3 के प्रमोशंस के लिए जब आई थी तब भी हमने येलो टैक्सी में हलुद टैक्सी थे प्रमोशन করলাম। कार्तिक और मैं टैक्सी पे खड़े रहे हावड़ा ब्रिज के नीचे और हमने एक फोटो ली।
खाली पाए विदाउट,
हाँ खाली पाए करेक्ट। तो I think there are some images that you associate with Kolkata, the tram, Victoria Memorial, fuchka, someone eating the fuchka, and similarly Hulu taxi. So I will miss it. It breaks my heart that I'm not going to see any more yellow taxis on the streets of Kolkata. Tram भी मैंने सुना बहुत कम हो रहे हैं. Yeah, I will miss both. Actually, मैं प्रदीप सरकार दादा के साथ आई थी यहाँ फॉल्टा में हमारी शूटिंग हो रही थी कैट फिल्म की और दिनेश राउत प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर जो हैं जो थे अभी वो नहीं रहे वो यहाँ का प्रोडक्शन संभाल रहे थे एंड ही he was working with Gautam Da. So he suggested me to Gautam Da. And Gautam Da saw some pictures, उनको अच्छी लगी मैं, तो और उन्होंने एक आध एड फिल्म भी दिखाए उनको मेरे शायद, मुझे तो बाद में पता चला। तो गौतम दा ने मुझसे बात की फोन पे, उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट भेजी और मैंने हाँ कर दी। It was as simple as that. Those were simpler times. সবাই সঙ্গে কাজ করতে চাই, মানিকদার সঙ্গে কাজ করতে চাই, কিন্তু ওটা তো হবে না।
এর মধ্যে কি বাংলা সিনেমা থেকে কোনো অফার দিয়েছে, মানে কবে আবার দেখতে পাবো এরকম সম্ভাবনা রয়েছে, পসিবিলিটি রয়েছে?
না, कुछ एक आध साल पहले तक बंगाली सिनेमा से ऑफर्स आते थे, पर फिलहाल कुछ ऑफर नहीं हुआ है, और हुआ भी है तो वो कुछ बात बनी नहीं, पर जब होना होगा तब होगा पक्का। पर मैं बंगाली किरदार तो मुझे निभाने का मौका मिल रहा है हिंदी सिनेमा में, एटलीस्ट उस तरह से जुड़ाव है।
विद्या, जो फिटनेस रिजाइन आप मेंटेन कर रही हो फिलहाल, हाँ। उसके बाद से कई सारी फिल्में आपको ऑफर की जा रही हैं, जिसकी तमन्ना वर्षों से करती हुई आ रही है।
ये सच नहीं है?
ये सुनने में आ रहा है, और काफी सारी मतलब बातें आ रही हैं। ये क्या हुआ?
मैं सच कहूँ तो मैं जिस तरह का काम करती हूँ उसमें हमेशा से खुश रही हूँ। ज्यादा ऑफ कोर्स काम करना चाहती हूँ, सबके साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ, हर तरीके का काम, हर तरीके का किरदार निभाना चाहती हूँ, पर मुझ में कुछ बदला नहीं है शायद।
Shall we carry on? Okay. Could you please make sure that your phones are on silent? It's very disturbing otherwise. Please, there are some house rules, go by them. So welcome Vidya, you've just arrived today.
Yes, thank you, and good afternoon, namaskar to everyone here. Before I say anything, I just want to say that it feels wonderful to be here. Years ago, on the 25th of December, Bhalo Theko released, and I can't believe it's been 20 years. As a matter of fact, just trivia, this is a sari gifted to me by Gautam Da and Choiti Bodhi, and I wore it for the premiere of Bhalo Theko, and I'm wearing it again today. It is my
I think it just shows how thoughtful Vidya is as a human being. And I think when we are talking about a person's career, which we will be doing just now, it's also about the growth of an artist, it's about the growth of a person as a human being. A little known secret here maybe, Vidya was my student at St. Xavier's College in Bombay many years ago. A girl with spectacles, rather sober looking. Since we've spoken about Bhalo Theko,
absolutely.
And while you were in college,
I was actually here to do an ad film with Pradeep Sarkar, who we all fondly call Dada. And there was a production manager, Dinesh Raut, who actually saw me in the ad film. And Gautam Da was casting Bhalo Theko at that time. So he suggested my name to Gautam Da. And unfortunately, Dinesh Raut is also not amongst us anymore. So I'm sorry, but today is bringing back lots of memories for me. Of course, fond memories, but it also tugs at my heart. I will forever be grateful to Dinesh Raut, because not only did my career start with Bhalo Theko, but he introduced me to a wonderful human being. I'll never forget my first call with Gautam Da. I didn't know what it was like, how people in the film industry, how directors are. I didn't know how to read a script. I never read a script before. And Gautam Da was a very gentle-mannered man, and he spoke to me and he referred to me as Bidda. I remember correcting him the first time he said Bidda, because I didn't know that Bengalis say Bidda. But he continued to say that. So I said, okay, you know, that's really not important. But he narrated the story to me in gist, and then he emailed me the script. As a matter of fact, I just checked, it's still in my inbox. So I read the script and I was thrilled. I was getting to do a movie in the land of Ray. Yeah. You know,